Hello, friends and developers. Let's have another look into the developer space within the NEAR ecosystem. This is Dorian Crutcher, and this is NEAR Bytes. And roll the intro. This week had some major highs and some not so great lows. So sit tight and let's dive into the agenda to see what I have for you guys today. Before I begin, remember to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out this channel grow. It really means a lot to me. Okay guys, now off to the agenda. So we'll start things off with details of the NEAR Testnet outage that occurred this week. And then we'll have a look into the NEAR Foundation's new smart contract auditing firm program. And then a look into the new release of Benji's new Fungible token Zero to Hero tutorial. And finally, we'll close things out with an awesome NEAR milestone that I want to discuss with you guys. Be sure to watch to the end to find out more. And with that, let's continue. Earlier this week, NEAR's testnet experienced an outage for a little over 2 days due to a recent update that caused the network to become stuck. The core devs within the NEAR ecosystem have posted updates to the NEAR chain status Twitter page, where they kept developers up to date on changes to the network's operating conditions. On October 11th, they discovered the cause of the outage and fixed it. The testnet was expected to be fully operational with the release of the 1.30 release candidate update. On October 13th, around 1:50 p.m., the testnet was back online, and if you would like to stay up to date on the operational status of the network, you can always follow the NEAR chain status Twitter page. The NEAR Foundation has officially launched a smart contract auditing program in an effort to enhance the ecosystem's overall security. Many new projects have demanded smart contract auditing services, necessitating the expansion of auditors of the Foundation has kept on retainer. This will aid founders and projects built on top of the NEAR platform in finding a skilled smart contract auditing firm to review their smart contracts. If you're interested in requesting a smart contract audit, you can find a link to the smart contract auditing request form in the description below. Also included in the description below is a link for smart contract auditors to include their services in this program. Each new auditing firm that applies to be included into this program will go through a review process for the Foundation to ensure that the ecosystem is getting the best services possible. We encourage everyone to apply and everyone to look into the program, and yeah, keep building and make some awesome smart contracts. Have you ever wondered how to create and launch your own fungible token on NEAR? Or how to make a fungible token smart contract that stays in accordance with their NEP standards? Then look no further than the Fungible Token Zero to Hero tutorial created by our very own Ben Couric. Benji also created the NFT Zero to Hero tutorial, which has helped even me better understand the implementation of the NEP standards into a NEAR smart contract. I'm confident that if you're curious about how fungible tokens are implemented onto NEAR, this will be of great help to you. It'll cover the overall structure of a fungible token smart contract, teach you how to define a token, and how to implement that token into a marketplace. I'm excited to see what developers can come up with after going through this brand new resource, and if you're interested in checking it out, please check out the link in the description below. Now let's finish things up with an awesome milestone made by NEAR and made by the NEAR community. This week, we've celebrated the NEAR Mainnet's 2nd birthday. For myself, this is really exciting news and really exciting thing to see because I was brought into the NEAR ecosystem just before the Mainnet launched October 13th of 2020, and it's been insane to see how much this ecosystem and how much this community has grown within the past 2 years. In 2 years, we've hit 20 million wallets and have processed over 200 million transactions. And to give you some context, about 2 years ago, we only had around 10,000 Mainnet accounts, and now we have around 26 million, which is insane. Again, that's thanks to you guys, that's thanks to this awesome community. So keep building, keep helping the ecosystem grow, and let's keep moving forward. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe because that'll make my day, make me very happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.